Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your iFlix account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to log into your iFlix account, go and tap open your iFlix application from your app drawer. Once you open the app, you'll reach to the home screen of iFlix. To log into your account, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner, as you can see it right here, and once you tap it on, you'll end up in this page. In order to log in, tap on the Login button at the upper left with a human icon on it, and you can either log in using your phone or email or log in with your Google and Facebook account. Make sure to use the process that you used during the sign-up process. Since I signed up using my phone and email option, let me go and tap on phone or email. Now, go ahead and enter your phone number or your email that is associated with iFlix. Once you're done typing in your email or your phone number, tap on the next button. Now, enter your password as soon as your password text field appears. Remember to type in the correct password while logging into your account. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in. If you want to double check your password before logging in, make sure to tap on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset your password to a new one. Once you've entered the correct credentials in the box, tap on Log In. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. That is how you can easily log in to your iFlix account by just entering your credentials. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, we'd love it if you'd give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more contents like this. Goodbye till then.